Can we find the age of WeChat account? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll talk about if we can find the age of our WeChat account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up WeChat. Now on your WeChat, here make sure that you're logged in into your account first. So after you've done that, initially what we normally do is head over to our settings and check for informations. So here you can see that on the top all I have is my WhatsApp ID and my QR, and if I scroll down there you'll see favorites, moments and other stuff. So if you head over to settings and if I head over to profile, you will see that there isn't much information available for the age. So again, you can head over to any other information. Let's head over to my informational authorization, and there isn't much data here as well. So to find out about the age, what we can do instead of exactly searching for that very setting is head over to moments. Now, under moments, if you have an old account which you have used to share a lot of different moments, you can actually track down the last moment or the very first moment that you had on WeChat. And by doing that, you can actually have an idea of how old your what WeChat account is. So if that's the case, there isn't any other way you can do this. Now, the exact answer for this is there is no possible way to know the exact age of WeChat account from the app itself. So, yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.